In this video, I'll show you how you can buy a facility in GTA 5 Online. Now all you have to do is bring up your map and navigate to this section, the Leicester Crest, the Doomsday Heist, which is denoted by H. So navigate to that point and then interact with this blip. And then all you have to do is simply contact Leicester Crest. And then let me just contact him again. And then accept the call.
I know we've got that other thing. You're still working on that, right? Great. Okay, well, I've got something else. Something so big and so secret. We've got to hide it under 1,000 tons of reinforced concrete.
And then once you listen to the conversation, all you have to do is now bring up your phone by pressing the up button on the D-pad if you're on controller. If you're on PC, simply press up the arrow key and then navigate to internet and then go to Maze Bank and then select enter site and then find the facility that you'd like to buy. So facilities are these ones denoted with the purple icon. So you can find the facility that you'd like. And then from here, you can simply buy them if you have enough finances. You can also customize the style, the graphics, if you want to have orbiter cannon, security room, lounge, and sleeping quarters. So customize it to suit your needs. And once you're done, you can simply select buy and you can now purchase your facilities, or rather you can purchase the facility and now you have access to the Doomsday Heist. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.